a sell signal, so the bias is still up on the, or short the yen across the board. So you're going long the euro yen, long the pound yen, long the Aussie yen, even the dollar yen. If you look at the radar screen here, even the dollar yen is up 28 points. So it's yen weakness across the board. Okay, so let's do the pound yen. And this is the pound yen from last week. We're buying it above 125.47. It was a structural point, so when we have a trade, a buy signal and a structure point, one in the same, we should be followed by an explosive move, and you see it closed very nicely at 127. That's a couple of hundred pips to the upside. And this is, when you look at the chart, this was your structure point, the 125.47, and that's the explosive move we had. Okay, so on the intraday, wow, so many lines on this chart. Trying to find the next structure long point. This has been grinding its way down, so there is a lot of levels here, and that's why when we keep this chart, you can see how many lines is on this one. It's just like a nightmare, because it's been grinding its way very slowly to the downside, and it had a couple of years. From 2009, it's having this. From 2009, it has this bottoming. It is putting like a big bottom. So we just have to be selective now, choosing the right ones. The 125 here, this is, I don't know. I don't see this as doing anything. The 129.85, I don't see that either. Maybe this one, 131.99. I just want to see if the 131.99 has any value. It's not that big, it's not a structure point, it's just a significant point. We tested it over here, so what I'm going to do, because I cannot find something historically, I'm going to come closer to the price action and that here is going to be my structure point, as you can see that right there. I don't know why I was looking far away. This is 127.09. Okay, we are actually above that. So this makes our selling point easy. A trade below the 127.09, this is where we're going to go short. So let's see the intraday here. Wow, it's right there. I mean, I cannot consider this a close above the structure. Well, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna short it from here, from 126.40, and that will be our structure short point. And this, because this is pretty much, this could be the last close of the last minute of Friday, so it's not really indicative. So we'll buy it above the high, which is the 127.25. So we will buy it above the high, 127.25. The next structure point is 127. Sorry, it's 131.99, and if I buy it there, I'm going to place my stop below 126.80. And on the short side, I'm going to go short below 126.40. Our structure short point is the 125.47, and my stop is going to be 126.80. So the 126.80 is going to be the long and the short stop. Okay, that is the pound yen. So let me save that, because it took a little bit longer than expected. So we did the Aussie yen, we did the pound yen.